Welcome again in another video, and today we will go through the subscriber manager. Subscriber manager have two sections: messenger subscriber and SMS email subscriber external. What's the difference between two section? You will know now by sync subscribers what actually option are there. In sync subscriber, you will have all the pages that have been enabled as a boot, okay, from onboard account. And you will have here conversation subscriber, boot subscriber, unsubscribe, migrated boot subscriber, 24 hours interaction subscriber. To see the subscriber list, you have to click on this one. If you have any subscriber, it will be show here. It will give you the subscriber ID, name, label or tag, action, and sync it at. If I need to scan the inbox, I can scan front end or back end. So if you do it in background, you can go through any other work if you have, and come later, you will find the subscribers. If I scan the inbox in front end, it will give me options to check all the subscribers or maximum 100 subscribers. So I'll check all inbox, yes, and start scanning, and it bring 5 subscribers. So now it will give me 5 conversation subscriber. No one have been eligible to be boot subscriber. So now if I click on subscriber list, it will give me all this one. I can click on all option, and I can assign label. I can download the list, and I can migrate the list to as a boot subscriber. So if I click OK, if any one of them are eligible to be boot subscriber, it will be shown as a boot subscriber. I'll click OK, and I close this one. And unfortunately, none of them are eligible to be subscriber, boot, or migrated boot. Okay, but if you are coming from any other platform and you need to migrate your uh, users from the old boot to the new boot here, it will become with you as a boot subscriber. You don't have any issue because actually you have already active boot subscriber in the old platform, and less than 24 hours it will be migrated as a boot subscriber. So this is the first option in sync subscribers. The second one is the boot subscribers. Okay, in the boot subscriber, you will find all the details about the boot subscribers. If you just select the page, you can select by page, by gender, and you can search, and then you can download the result or assign label or delete the subscriber from your platform. What else you have here in the subscriber manager? You have label and tags. You can see all tags you have been created for the unsubscribe or offensive user or whatever. So you can see it from here, and you can add more labels if you need, and you can check by page, or you can search if you just create so many labels so you don't know how many pages and how many labels have been created, then you can come through this option. The other section is for the SMS subscriber external. First thing, it's only the contact group. If you go through it, you just can create new groups. Okay, for example, um, set our own group, and I save it. It will be created as a group here. So this group, it's only as a group, nothing else. Okay. After you create the group, you can import or insert all the contact book you have, or all contacts you have. For example, if you need to import or export or delete, you can delete. And also you can add manually one by one. Test, test, add test dot test, phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and contact group here, it can be appear, and you can save it. Once you save it, it will come like this. You can view the details. Also, you can edit it or you can delete it. So this is the second option here in the contact. The last email, phone OPTN form builder, and this one you can collect email and phone from your website user. In website user, you can embed this form and can be so many options. Like for example, you can pop up, fix it, direct URL, and pop up is the very awesome uh, option. You can choose the form name, the contact group, if you have contact group, to just collect this information and put it in this group. If you don't want to put it in this group, you just simply create a group and it will create a group. Then you can check if you have any email sequence, you can put them SMS sequence if you have. If you don't have, just leave it empty and you just choose the type of your display and the position. Bottom right center is okay, and the delay in seconds, 10 seconds from browsing your website, for example. And you can set success message, thank you for subscribe or whatever, or redirect URL. Like if you want to redirect them after subscribe to another web URL, you just put the URL here. And the background of this form, you can upload it and put it. And here you can put header. You can move it here. You can put first name, last name, email, phone number, subscribe button, paragraph or agreement text if you need to them to agree anything, and just you can um, save it. Form name, so they need to put the form name for this. Contact is required, so I put it here. I'm sorry, I can put it here, thanks. The success created, and now you can get the URL. Okay. And if you need direct URL, this is the embedded. So if you need a direct URL, okay, you just can copy and put it in your website and it will show to you. And this is the direct URL if you need to take it. Okay, this is the direct URL. And in the same time, you can view the form. Okay, and this also can be taken as a direct URL. Okay, and you can edit and you can delete at all. So this was the last option in Subscriber Manager. I hope so you have learned how to use this option in our website. Thank you for watching and wait for our next video.